Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Knowledge Hub. Friends, subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon for the latest update. आज हम लोग जीके एंड इंपॉर्टेंट फैक्ट्स की क्लास करने वाले हैं, जो कि आपका क्लास नंबर 84 है. ऑलरेडी हमने 83 क्लासेस कर लिया है. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, अगर आप हमारे चैनल फर्स्ट टाइम देख रहे हो या अभी तक आपने हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है, तो इट्स अ रिक्वेस्ट कि आप हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करो, सो दैट हम जो भी वीडियोज़ डालें वो आपके पास सबसे पहले पहुँचे. एंड सेकेंडली, अगर आपको हमारा वीडियो अच्छा लगे तो प्लीज़ हमारे वीडियो को लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब करो, सो दैट ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लोग के पास वीडियो पहुँचे, ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लोग इसका यूटिलाइजेशन भी कर सके. Now coming to the topic that we have to discuss in today's class, that today we'll discuss 1903th question, because we had completed your 1912th question till the last class. Now all the questions were the important for your current affairs that was asked in your competition paper, and that is also important for your general knowledge also. So you can go through with all the videos that you had not even gone through, and if you had not subscribed till yet, so please subscribe, share and like our videos, so that many and maximum people can get the information at once. Now moving on with the question that we have in 1903. What is the rank of India in Global Peace Index 2018? 2018 में Global Peace Index में इंडिया की क्या रैंक है या क्या रैंक थी? तो दैट इज़ 137. ओके, 137th रैंक थी हमारी इंडिया की ग्लोबल पीस इंडेक्स में 2018 के हिसाब से. 1904 क्वेश्चन. अटल भुजल योजना ABHY, a rupees 6,000 crore central sector scheme of Ministry of Water Resource, River Development and Ganga Rejuvenation is assisted by which institution? And the institution name is World Bank. Next question, that is question 1905. Which Indian state is the largest contributor in e-waste? इंडिया का कौन सा ऐसा स्टेट है जो कि लार्जेस्ट है, सबसे बड़ा कंट्रीब्यूटर है ई-वेस्ट का? वो है महाराष्ट्र. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, दैट इज क्वेश्चन 1906 that we have. Which state has recently banned on the use of thermocol plates? तो कौन सा ऐसा स्टेट है जिसने अभी रिसेंटली बैन किया है थर्मोकोल प्लेट्स को? एंड दैट इज योर हिमाचल प्रदेश. हिमाचल प्रदेश ने बैन किया है थर्मोकोल प्लेट्स को. ये आपका इंडियन स्टेट है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, दैट इज क्वेश्चन 1907 that we have. Who is the new प्राइम मिनिस्टर ऑफ जॉर्डन? जॉर्डन का न्यू प्राइम मिनिस्टर कौन है? जो अभी न्यू प्राइम मिनिस्टर बने हैं उनका नाम क्या है? दैट इज उमर रजाज. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, दैट इज क्वेश्चन 1908. Who has been elected as president of 73rd United Nations General Assembly? And the name is Maria Fernanda Expensa. Next question, that is question number 1909. Which committee will be awarded the Swad Rath Award 2018 for its outstanding performance? That the answer is Parliamentary Standing Committee on Finance. Okay, तो उनको मिलेगा पार्लियामेंट्री स्टैंडिंग कमेटी, जो कि फाइनेंसेस में है. Next question, that is question 1910, that which city is the host city of World Environment Day 2018? 2018 का होस्ट सिटी कौन था जो वर्ल्ड एनवायरनमेंट डे में होस्ट सिटी था? दैट इज न्यू दिल्ली. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, दैट इज क्वेश्चन 1910 that we have. 1911 question that we have. Which is the most forested state in the country? हमारे इंडिया में कौन सा फॉरेस्टेड स्टेट है? फॉरेस्टेड स्टेट मतलब ज़्यादातर आपके वहाँ पे फॉरेस्ट है, वो है मिजोरम. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, दैट इज क्वेश्चन 1912. What is the rank of IISc Bangalore in World Top University list? And this is 91st. Next question, that is question number 1913. Which iconic place has been adopted by the NTPC Limited under the Swachh Iconic Place Projects of India? And that comes under Charminar. Next question, that is question 1914. Who has won an international award in the best caricature second category? That is Thomas and Troy. So the next question that we have, 1915. Which country has renamed an orchid after Prime Minister Narendra Modi to commemorate his visit to the National Orchid Garden? And that is Singapore. Next question, that is question 1916 that we have. Recently, which long-range ballistic missile is successful flight tested from Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam Azad Island, Wheeler Island, that is Agni 5. Next question, that is question 1917. Who has been honored with Japan's prestigious Nikkei Asia Prize for the Culture and Community, and that is Bindeshwar Pathak. Next question, that is question 1918. In how many districts of India Swajal scheme is launched? स्वजल स्कीम कितने आपके इंडियन डिस्ट्रिक्ट्स में लॉन्च हुई थी? That is 115 districts of India. Next question, that is question 1919 that we have. 1919, that who was appointed as the new Chief Information Commissioner, that is CIC, succeeding Shri R.K. Mathur, that is Sudhir Bhargava. Next question, that is question 1920. Under which former governor the Reserve Bank of India has constituted an expert committee on the economic capital framework to decide the appropriate level of resource that a regulator should hold? That is Bimal Jalan. Next question, that is question 1921. To mark the birth anniversary of Atal Bihari Vajpayee, his samadhi was dedicated to the nation, that is Sadaiv Atal. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, उनकी जो समाधि थी तो बर्थ एनिवर्सरी पे उनकी समाधि का नाम सदैव अटल था. Next question, that is question number 1922 that we have. Three islands of which union territory have been renamed after the freedom fighter Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, and the answer is Andaman and Nicobar Island. Next question, that is question number 1923. Name the veteran film maker and Dada Saheb Phalke awardee who passed away on 30th December 2018, that is Mrinal Sen. Next question, that is question 1924 that we have. 1924, which House of Parliament passed the Muslim Women Protection of Rights on Marriage Bill 2018 on December 27, 2018? House of the People, Lok Sabha. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, दैट इज ये हाउस ऑफ द पीपल जो है लोकसभा, वहाँ पे इन्होंने ये पार्लियामेंट पास किया था लॉ जो है वो वुमेंस मुस्लिम वुमेंस के लिए प्रोटेक्शन फॉर द राइट्स ऑन मैरिज, तो वो उस पर पास किया था 27 दिसंबर 2018 को. Next question, that is question 1925. Which Indian cricketer was recently officially inducted into the ICC Cricket Hall of Fame? That is Rahul Dravid. Next question, that is question 1926. Which IIT has designed India's first microprocessor, that is Shakti? That is the name of the that IIT institute is IIT Madras. Next question. For the Shakti, if I'm saying Shakti will reduce dependency on the imported microchips and the risk of the cyber attacks. So Shakti वो है जहाँ पे IIT आपके मद्रास ने इसको build किया था. Next question, that is question number 1927 that we have. In which Indian city the 575 meter signature bridge has been built over the Yamuna River? यमुना रिवर के ऊपर 575 मीटर का सिग्नेचर ब्रिज किस इंडियन सिटी में बना है? That is Delhi. The bridge will reduce the travel time between the north and the northeast Delhi and show the burden of the Wazirabad bridge. Okay, तो जो वजीराबाद ब्रिज पे जो बर्डन है बहुत सारे ट्रैफिक का उसको थोड़ा सा ब्रेक करेगा, और प्लस दिल्ली नॉर्थ ईस्ट दिल्ली से नॉर्थ ईस्ट दिल्ली तक पहुंचने में बहुत आसानी होगी, और वो 575 मीटर सिग्नेचर ब्रिज बना है. जो कि आंसर आपका कंट्री की बात करते हैं तो सॉरी जो सिटी की बात करते हैं तो दिल्ली है, और रिवर की बात करते हैं दैट इज ऑन द यमुना रिवर. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, दैट इज क्वेश्चन 1928. Name the Kannada actor and former Minister of State for the Information and the Broadcasting who passed away on 24th November 2018, that is Ambarish. Next question, that is question 1929 that we have. 1929, name the environmental NGO founded by the Anil Kumar Agarwal which has been awarded the Indira Gandhi Prize for the Peace, Disarmament and Development of the year 2018? Then the answer is Center for the Science and Environment. Next question, that is question 1930. That is, name the veteran and the maker's theatre personality that died on 17 November 2018 at the age of 90. 90 साल में जिन्होंने 17 नवंबर 2018 में पास हो गए थे, मर गए थे, वो थिएटर और makers थे. That is the name of that person is Alaiku Padamsi. Next question, that is question number 1931. Name the Indian athlete and the Asian Game gold medalist who has been made the country's first youth ambassador of the United Nations Children's Fund, that is UNICEF. And the answer is Hima Das. Next, ये आपके इंडियन एथलीट है. Okay. Next question, that is question 1932. What is the name of the severe cyclonic storm that hits the eastern coast of the Tamil Nadu, causing loss of lives and property? जहाँ पे आपका तमिलनाडु को कॉज किया था और जहाँ पे बहुत सारी लॉस हुई थी लाइफ, एज वेल एज वहाँ पे बहुत सारी लाइव्स भी लॉस हुई थी, एज वेल एज प्रॉपर्टी भी लॉस हुई थी, एंड दैट इज गाजा. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, दैट इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 1933. In which denominations the Union government has decided the issue of a commemorative coin on the occasion of 75th anniversary of hosting the tricolor for the first time of Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose at Port Blair, that is rupees 75. Next question, that is question 1934 that we have. 1934 that we have, who was appointed as the chairman of Competition Commission of India, that is CCI, and the answer is Ashok Kumar Gupta. Next question, that is question 1935. What is the rank of India in the Ease of Dairy Business Ranking released by the World Bank? And the answer is your 77. Next question, that is question 936, that who took over the 12th Chief of Integrated Defence Staff? And the answer is Lieutenant General P.S. Rajeshwar. Next question, that is question 1937 that we have. Which state became the first Indian state to launch a single emergency number, that is 112, which will connect to the police, fire, health and other helplines to the Emergency Response Center, that is ERC, and the state, that is Himachal Pradesh. Next question, that is question number 1938 that we have. Name the Bollywood actor who has resigned from the post of the chairmanship of Film and Television Institute of India, that is FTII, and the name of that Bollywood actor that who resigned is Anupam Kher. Next question, that is question 1939. Who was appointed as chairperson of Atomic Energy Regulatory Board, that is AERB, and the answer is Nageshwara Rao Guntur. Next question, that is question 1940 that we have. 1940, which CPSU has been conferred with the status of Mini-Ratna category caused by the Government of India in November 2018, and the answer is National Project Construction Corporation Limited, that is NPCC. Next question, that is question 1941. Who has been appointed as the new Chief Elections Commissioner succeeding O.P. Rawat, who retired on November 24, and the answer is Sunil Arora. Next question, that is question 1942. The 49th International Film Festival of India, IFFI, was held in which state? And the answer is Goa. Next question, that is question 1943 that we have. Which film won the coveted Golden Peacock Award of the 2019 International Film Festival of India? And the answer is Donbass. Next question, that is question number 1944. Who will set a record for the longest space flight by a woman? And the answer is Christina Koch. Next question, that is question number 1945 that we have. The Supreme Court recently approved a separate High Court for which state? Separate High Court किस state के लिए Supreme Court ने allow किया है, permission दी है, that is Andhra Pradesh. It will be the 25th High Court in the country and it will start functioning from the 1st January 2019. तो 1 जनवरी 2019 से ये शुरू हुआ है हाई कोर्ट आंध्र प्रदेश का, जिसको मिला के अगर हम बात करते हैं तो पूरे कंट्री में 25th हाई कोर्ट्स हो गए। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, दैट इज क्वेश्चन 1946 that we have. 1946, which country unveiled a bronze statue commemorating the rate of the Indian soldier who fought for the British Indian Army in World War One, and that the answer is France. Next question, that is question 1947. For which term India has been elected as a member of International Telecommunication Union Council, that is ITU. That answer is 4 years, 2019 to 2022. The ITU has 193 member states that elects representatives to the Council. India has been an active member of ITU since 1869. Next question, that is question 1948 that we have. Which state has approved fund worth rupees 20,000 each for a girl graduating from 2018 onwards? That is, the answer is बिहार। बिहार में 2018 से जितने भी लड़कियां ग्रेजुएट्स हुई हैं उन सबको 25,000 हर एक लड़की को दिया गया है। ये बिहार गवर्नमेंट ने इंट्रोड्यूस किया है। The one-time payment will be made for every girl who graduates from the college of the state or on an 25th April this year, irrespective to the past division, marital status, caste, community और religion। चाहे वो किसी भी धर्म की हो, चाहे वो आपके मैरिड हो, चाहे आपकी नहीं अनमैरिड हो, फिर कोई भी कास्ट की हो, उस सब लड़कियों को जो ग्रेजुएट्स हो रहे हैं 2018 के बाद, 25th अप्रैल 2018 के बाद, उन सबको 25,000 रुपीज़ हर एक लड़की को वन टाइम पेमेंट बिहार गवर्नमेंट कर रही है। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, दैट इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 1949 दैट वी हैव. Which state celebrate its 18th foundation day for the 9th November? तो और 9th November को कौन फाउंडेशन 18th foundation day सेलिब्रेट कर रहा है? And that is उत्तराखंड. It became a state of union which separations from the Uttar Pradesh. Next question, that is question number 1950. Which district of Uttar Pradesh has been renamed as Ayodhya? तो कौन सा ऐसा डिस्ट्रिक्ट है उत्तर प्रदेश का जिसको रीनेम्ड किया गया अयोध्या से? एंड दिस डिस्ट्रिक्ट नेम इज फैजाबाद। पहले फैजाबाद नाम था, अब उसे रीनेम करके अयोध्या कर दिया गया है। तो क्लास आज के लिए इतना ही। थैंक यू, होप यू एंजॉय दिस वीडियो। इफ यू लाइक दिस वीडियो, प्लीज गिव अ थम्स अप and give a suggestion on the comment box. Please like, share and subscribe our channel so that many and maximum people can get the information at once. Thank you.